Hey guys, Joe DeMarco from the Crazy New York Driver Show. Today is Tuesday, and the date is February 2nd, 2021. I'm going to show you the aftermath of the storm. It's basically over, though they're saying we may get a couple of more inches tonight or this afternoon. You will see it's still cloudy out, and there is no sun predicted, and we have another storm scheduled for Friday. So let's just walk out to the street real quick, and you can see we did the driveway last night with the snowblower. You can see the snow was up past the hubcaps on my car, and you can see how much snow is covering the car. Walking out, now the town has come and plowed me back in at the apron here, so I'm going to have to touch this up with the shovel. Let me go out to the street here. This is still pretty deep right here. Alright, windy, cold. Looking down my block one way, we'll do a full cycle around so you can see how much snow we got. Approximately 20 inches or so. This is what you get when you live in the Northeast. Rain, snow, clouds, but no sun. They did a pretty good job of plowing the block. I'm just going to walk up to the corner here. Sorry about the shaky phone. I have to make sure I don't fall to the ground. Look how high the snow is piled up here. So yeah, that's about all I'm going to tell you right now. I probably won't make another video now till Friday, my next eBay video. I can guarantee you guys it will still be cloudy. We do not get any sunny days. There's somebody venturing out. Alright guys, I will see you on Friday.